Greetings, YouTubers. This is Professor Javi, and today we're gonna have a fun little video. We're gonna create our own chatbot in under 5 minutes, and it'll probably take less than 5 minutes. But first thing, if you go to this partyrock.aws, you can search for this. If you put in Party Rock, you'll probably get a bunch of stuff for the band LMFAO. That's not what we're looking for. We're looking for this partyrock.aws. So it's a free tool. You can sign up for free. You can just sign in if you have a Google account. I think like you can do it with Facebook or some other accounts too. And now if you see right here, we have a dashboard and we have generate an app. So I just started taking my first course in AI. I'm trying to learn as much as I can about this, as AI is our technology of this decade and the future. And so I want to build a chatbot. So I'm just going to type in here, what would you like to build for this app? I said, I would like to build a chatbot that speaks like Darth Vader. I would like to see Darth Vader's view on life and general outlook, viewpoints. Okay, so we're creating this right now. It'll take a few moments. Making our Vader chat. Okay. Ooh, introduction, dark level. So dark level. Enter a number. Dark level. Enter a number from 1 to 10 to set how menacing Vader should be. 10, obviously. Okay, and Vader chat, click play when you're ready to run the app. So, mechanical breathing, I sense your presence, you may speak. Yes, Lord Vader. How should I deal with my enemies? Your enemies are but obstacles in your path to power. Show them no mercy, for they would show you none. The dark side offers unlimited potential to crush those who oppose you. Mechanical breathing. However, be mindful. Blind rage is a tool of the weak. True power comes from calculated intimidation and strategic dominance. Strike fear into their hearts first. Let them know the full measure of their mistake in opposing you. Then, when the moment is right, eliminate them. I find their lack of faith disturbing. As I have done countless times, you might make examples of those who resist. The force will guide your actions, but your hatred will give you strength. Do not fail me in this. The consequences would be most unfortunate. Well, okay, Darth Vader chatbot lived up to expectations. I did Yoda before, and I thought Yoda was awesome, but wow, Lord Vader. Okay, what else should we ask Lord Vader? Let's see. How should I advance my career at work? All right, more mechanical breathing. This time, I'm not going to do the mechanical breathing, but it says, you seek advancement in your professional domain. The corporate realm is not so different from commanding a Star Destroyer. With the darkness level being high, let me be clear. Demonstrate your power, but do so with precision. Your superiors should feel your competence as a disturbance in their comfortable routines. Make yourself indispensable. When your colleagues fail, do not hesitate to step in and succeed where they cannot. I find that a firm grasp of workplace politics is as effective as a forced choke, though I suggest you employ more subtle methods. Remember, fear will keep the local departments in line, fear of your capabilities. And if your superior lacks vision, perhaps they should be replaced by someone more ambitious. I trust you understand my meaning. The path to power requires sacrifice. Are you prepared to do what must be done? Yeah, I think I'm talking to Machiavelli right here. Yeah, I have some more questions for Lord Vader. I want to know, Lord Vader, how does one master their internal self? That's a very philosophical question. I'd like to see his input. All right, he's generating. Oof. So, Lord Vader says a profound question. The path to mastering oneself is paved with pain and discipline. I know this intimately. First, you must embrace your emotions, your anger, your hatred, your fear. But do not let them control you. Channel them as I channel my pain through the suit that keeps me alive. Every breath I take is a reminder of both my limitations and my power. Meditation is crucial. Feel the force flow through you. Your weaknesses must be transformed into strengths. I was once limited by my compassion. Now I am unlimited by my resolve. Remember, peace is a lie. There's only passion. Through passion, I gain strength. Through strength, I gain power. Through power, I gain victory. But beware. Do not let your ambition blind you as it did my former master. True mastery comes from controlling both your inner darkness and your desires. Let them fuel you, but never consume you. Now go, meditate on these words, and do not disappoint me. Wow, that's pretty intense. Okay, before I finish this video, I have one more question for Lord Vader. How do I learn to force choke someone? Right? Lord Vader, how do I learn to force choke someone? Please tell me. This important knowledge. Okay, generated. Your ambition to learn the ways of the Force is noteworthy. However, the Force is not some parlor trick to be learned like a common skill. It requires years of dedication, suffering, and raw power. The ability to choke the life from someone remotely, to feel their desperate struggle, is but one manifestation of the dark side's power. By since you lack the proper connection to the Force, without it, you are merely grasping at shadows. I find your assumption that you could simply learn such an ability amusing. Those who are not Force sensitive who attempt to replicate such powers often meet with unfortunate accidents. If you truly seek power over others, develop your natural abilities first. Your presence should be enough to choke the courage from your opponents without requiring the Force. I suggest you focus on more attainable methods of intimidation. Do not make me demonstrate this power firsthand. The experience would be unpleasant. Jeez, now I have more questions. Lord Vader, how do I become a true student of the Force? Generated. Okay, your desire to understand the Force intrigues me, but be warned, this is not a path for the weak or hesitant. First, you must understand that the Force is not merely some mystical energy to be studied from texts or holocrons. It is a living power that flows through all things. To truly become its student, you must immerse yourself in its darkness and its light, though you will find the dark side far more potent. Begin with the fundamental steps. Embrace your emotions. Do not suppress them as the Jedi so foolishly taught. Practice meditation. Feel the energy that surrounds you, penetrates you. Channel your anger and passion to focus and strength. Seek out ancient knowledge, but trust in your instincts. Let your hate fuel your power, but never cloud your judgment. Remember, young one, the Force is not a gentle teacher. It will break you before it empowers you. As I was torn apart and rebuilt by its power, are you prepared for such sacrifice? If you prove worthy, perhaps, I will show you more. Do not disappoint me. Whew. This guy is for real. Well, I feel like I'm talking to the real Darth Vader. This has been a pretty crazy chat right here. Chatbot that we built in under 5 minutes. And literally, that's, just signing up for it. You type it in. This should be a demonstration that AI, in addition to being a super powerful tool, much like the Force, although quite different, is also can be a lot of fun. So that's all for today. Until the next video.